Managing your every social media account is the really challenging part, and you need to know that there are so many platforms available like the TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, we have the Instagram. But if you are going to manage every single of them, it will cost you a lot of time and the efforts. But what if there's the AI automation tool that will help you to automate every single of your social media account with its features? Like you can generate the post with the AI, with the prompt, with the images or the links, and you can just schedule the post for the different calendar dates, and it is going to publish automatically. And the best part, you can also manage all of your engagement replies in this single platform. So in this video I am going to review a AI social media automation tool that name is the Follower, and I recently got to know that its lifetime deal is available on the AppSumo starting from the just $19. So the pricing you are going to pay this AI automation tool is the really affordable, and the features and the values you are getting is the really amazing part here. So there are the three main core features available. First, we have the calendar where we are going to schedule all the posts. Then to make your post creation really easy, it has the one of the most amazing and the core feature, that is the post generator. It is going to design the graphic, it is going to write the title, it is going to generate the description, caption, everything in the using this different kind of the options available. For example, you can generate the post adding the prompt. Here you can add the prompt and it is going to generate the post for dedicated to that social media platform. You can also use the AI suggestion. It has the images which you can use to generate the post. You can also use the news, you can use the Google, you can use the holidays from the calendar, you can use the brainstorming ideas, you can use the questions, or my favorite, you can even use the link to generate it for the post including design. For example, here you just need to add the link which you can easily find from your blog or from the Google. Then after that, here you have to select the how many the options you want to generate and click on the read URL. It is going to fetch the URL and going to show you the image and the blog titles, everything from here. And after that, you can click here to generate the post, and that's simply how it will generate the post for you. Okay, the same way you can use the other things like prompt. Here are the blog content, and now after that I need to just select the post type. I can make it around, let's go with the Pinterest post, and here you can see it is asking me whether I want the image from the this thing or the AI image. So I will go with the AI image and click on the generate 3 post option. The same way you can also use these generating options, like you want to generate from the prompt, you want to generate from the images, news, Google, holidays, and the other options available as well. Okay, so as for now it is generating the post. So once it is loading, I'm going to give you the preview how it's looking like. Okay, my quota got full, that's why it is not showing the results. Okay, but don't worry, let me go with the other features as well. The third and the main core feature I found it is the analytics, where you can just check out all of your social media's engagement in this single dashboard here for the different platforms. Okay, and from there you can just reply down to comments, you can just like back, you can share everything. You will get the basically insights in this dashboards of the analytics. Okay, and there we have the autopilot. So this feature is just in the beta mode, not available for all the users. So in the upcoming features, we are also going to see this autopilot that will put your social media automation in this single click away with the help of AI. So this is the best part I like the most. In the future we are going to see. So these are the 3 core features I have talked about. And if I talk about its UI, that is also really surprising well. Here you can see all the features available on the left side menu, and here you can see all the social media platform it is supporting here. For example, it is supporting the Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Pinterest. We have the X, that is the basically previously Twitter. Then this is the LinkedIn, this is the Medium. So all the major platforms are supported. I'm really surprised with that. And there's also a dark mode available here. To onboarding your brand or yourself as the individually is also really easy. All you need to just click here on the create new company, or for the first time this is the user interface it is going to show you. Here it will ask you the different parts for you, whether you are the company or the individually. For me, I am the individual, so click on the next tab. Here it will ask you the name. If you add the company, then it will also ask you the your company website, but here I have just added as the individual. Okay, it is also asking me my website name, so I will add my website name here. Okay, now it is going to analyze my website, and in instantly get to know which kind of the content I am interested. So this is the best AI part you will like the most on while the onboarding on this platform. Okay, you can see tell us more about the Basant Kumar as the individual. Here it will ask you to upload your logo. By automatically it's got the logo, but I don't know, I think I selected the individual, that's why it is asking me to upload the logo manually. But if you select the company or add the right website URL, I think I have added the wrong website URL, that's why that is happening. But it will show you the automatically your logo and the color palette for your brand, no worries. And after that it will start showing your brand here on the main dashboard. Okay, so I have showed you and give you the its user interface, how it's look like and how you are going to use it, what are the core features. Now let me talk about the lifetime deal that is currently going on what are the limits or the credits you are going to get in the just $19. So if I go to the plans and features, let me go down here, you will see the $19 pricing. You are getting the one user limit and the one company or brand you can add, and in that one company brand you can add all these social media account. Okay, so don't get confused. In the one company you are only going to get one social media account. You can connect all of your social media platform that is supported by the follower. You are going to get it 2000 AI words per month. This is the really low, but in such affordable price I think this is the really affordable. Then unlimited scheduled post, you can schedule the post unlimited in the calendar. This is the again really good part. So if you want more brands connectivity, more credits, more limits, you can consider buying a tier 2 or tier 3 plan. Okay, so as for the testing I bought is plan 1, that is the I think sufficient as for the individual, but I'm going to make it go with the tier 3 plan, because here I will got the more companies adding function limit. I will got the more AI words, because the 2000 is really low. While testing out and showing out the demo, my quota got full, and this makes it a little bit embarrassing me, because I can't able to show you how it's going his posts generated are going to look like. Okay, but don't worry, this tool is really good here. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this follower detailed video and the demo. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.